Hello everyone, welcome back to SK Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in CREO software. You can see the base dimension. First I will create this base. This base dimension is R25, length is 75 mm, 50 plus 25, width is also 50 mm, and also there is a one hole, diameter 15 and thickness is 15 mm. Select new. Friends, before starting I am requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select the top plane, sketch, select center rectangle, give the dimension 75 mm, this is 50 mm, select circle here, create dia 50 circle, select delete segment, delete these lines, again select circle, create dia 15 circle, 15 mm. That's it. Finish sketch. Extrude. Here select symmetric 15 mm. Okay. So now base has created. Change it into shaded with edges. Turn up the planes. Next you can see there is a both side flanges, that dimensions are 50 mm and height is also 25 mm both side and R25 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select circle, create dia 50 circle, and from the side dimension is 25 mm, height is 25 plus 15, 40 mm. Select line, create line like this, select delete segment, delete these lines, again select circle, create dia 15 circle, that's it. Finish sketch. Here select extrude, reverse the direction, thickness is 15 mm. Okay. Next select extrude, select mirror, turn on the planes here, select center plane. Okay. Next bottom also one more flange. For that select this surface, sketch, select circle, create dia 50 circle, height is 25 mm, select line, create line like this, select delete segment, delete these unwanted lines, select circle again, create dia 15 circle, finish sketch, extrude up to 15 mm, reverse the direction 15 mm. Okay. So you can compare, friends, all the features are added. So we can give some fillets on this for better looking. give 5 mm fillet, select this and this edge, and we can give here also. Okay, go to view, select appearances, here select names and thumbnails. So you can see there are multiple materials, we can assign the material here. So I will go with PTC standard steel, select entire body. Okay, press the middle mouse button. So color has changed, we can change the color also. More appearances, click color. With the color wheel we can change the color like this. Okay, select entire part. Okay, see color has changed. So that's the today's session, friends. Finally save the part, Ctrl S, wherever you want you can save. I will save with my desktop. Okay friends, if you are enjoyed this session, please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching this session, friends.